Okay guys, carrying on with our little bit of truck maintenance here. We're gonna check the air filter for the engine. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, give or take, 10 millimeter screws to take out. So let's get them out, have a look. Okay, should do it. I think these screws are kind of held in there so they don't just fall out. Alright, so this is the filter. Doesn't look too bad, eh? Nah, it looks alright. Now if you want to, you can vacuum or give it a clean down in here. I might just give it a quick little vacuum. I'll give it a quick little spray out, eh? What the hell? A bit of clean water to rinse with. Maybe grab the vacuum to suck some of that water out of there. And just give it a wipe with a rag. Doesn't have to be beautiful, but cleaner. It's got all these ridges and little boxes in the mold of the plastic, which make it a real joy to try to clean. Let's put the air filter back in. I don't think we need a new one. There we go. And this goes back on top, obviously. screws in there. And they're just plastic. They're just going into plastic, so don't strip them. And don't power bang them in either. Good. All right. That's the long and the short of checking your air filter. All right. Thanks for watching. Short and sweet. We're going to carry on with a new job afterwards. Yeah. Sayonara from Dwodog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.